Acirithania Eric Ogola, Anthony Mirima na Frida Mugambi nio mamuritwo ni mucirithania munene Martha KOOME guthikiriria na gutwithania macira matano maria mendekithitie kuhagurwo kwa munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua guteanirio.
So it started when?
Itua riri riukite thutha wa mawakiri Gachagua muthini wa kiumia kihituku kwendekithia mucirithania munene Obedudia acirithania aria meguthikiriria macira maya ihoya riria mucirithania wa igoti nene CHACHA MWITA etikiranirie nario akiuga cira wa kuhagura munini wa President ni muritu na ni urafatara gufacirirwo gigatiba.
This court directed that the application be heard this morning on account of the urgency and the nature of the matter we have. The court directs as follows. Number one, the application dated 11th of October is to proceed. The PO file and any issues raised will be treated as grounds of opposition to the application. These will include the issue of jurisdiction of the court and the claim of forum shopping.
Na igoti rikionekana ari njira iria Gachagua atigitie guthara giturwa giake thutha wa kuhanda cira igoti-ini inene akienda rirugamie mbunge ya Senate guciririra kuhagurwo gwake muthenya wa rucio mathaini ma miaraho nirio igoti rikamura kana ni rikarugamie mbunge ya Senate kwaririria ndeto ino.
As council will move the application and respond to the issues raised by the respondents regarding jurisdiction and forum shopping. The respondents will then respond to the petitioner's arguments, and thereafter the petitioner's counsel will have a brief rejoinder on the respondent counsel's argument. This, I believe, will assist the court in making a determination on the application and the issues raised, including jurisdiction and forum shopping.
Ona igoti ritaheanite itua riario wakiri Gachagua matongoretio ni Paul Mwite na mathiete na mbere kuhinyiriria igoti nene rinda hinya wa kurugamia Senate guciririra ndeto ino akiuga bunge ya bururi ni yagararirie gatiba ni kuneana itua riario kuri bunge ya Senate na ho niguo kuhe ihinda igoti ritwithanie kana mutaratara wa kuhagura Gachagua ni mukinyaniru kiwatho.
Will be argued. Impeachment is in two phases. The National Assembly does what it does, pursuant to Article 95 of the Constitution. And the role and mandate of the Senate is distinct and separate from that of the National Assembly under Article 96. So that, my Lord, there is this new momentous development of the passage of the resolution being passed by the National Assembly.
WAKANA KIUMIA GIKI munini wa President agatemania wira wake kuma thaa 3 cia rucini nginya thaa 7 cia miaraho na thutha ucio mbunge ya Senate yambike gikaro gia kumuhunga mahuri.